Today is the last day of the financial year. A little reminder to do your tax, and it's been a pretty tough one for the share market. Joining me live now is our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, the local market on track to lose about 8% this financial year. Technology stocks, some of the worst performers. So how are we doing today?
Today, the market's down, not by much though, it's down by about 0.4%. So when it closes at around 4 p.m. this afternoon, we should be on track. The ASX 200 should be on track to have lost about 8% over the last 12 months of this financial year. Now, that would be one of the worst financial years of performance since 2011. Back then, the ASX 200 lost around 11%. So it's probably going to be down about 8% by the end of the day. Tech stocks, they are some of the worst performers this financial year. The whole tech index is down about 35% in value. And the bad news here, Laura, is the market was actually doing pretty well this financial year until the middle of April. And that's when it took a dramatic U-turn, when investors started pricing in these higher interest rates, reserve banks around the world needing to lift rates much more than expected to bring down inflationary pressures. So that's when the market did a U-turn. So it's really only in the last couple of months that we've actually seen this poor performance from the ASX 200. Because the previous financial year, it was up 24%. So it was a really strong year 1 year ago. Now it's on the way back down again. So investors don't actually know when we're going to hit the bottom yet. So that's also the bad news. We're not sure if we're at the bottom yet or not. So hopefully we are, and we start going up soon.